Today, a former Pikesville High School athletic director pleaded guilty to sexually exploiting children. Welcome to the news at 5. I'm Nikki Zizaza.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Prosecutors say Dejan Darian had inappropriate communications with children before and after he was under investigation, accused of using AI to create a racist and anti-Semitic recording to retaliate against his former principal.
That's right. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at federal court with new information on this plea agreement. Mike.
Nikki, Rick, Darian admitted to a number of disturbing allegations, including sexually exploiting at least 5 boys between the ages of 14 and 17. He could be sentenced to as many as 30 years in prison when he is sentenced here in November. Former Pikesville High athletic director Dejan Darian has been at the center of several scandals. Last year, he was sentenced to 4 months behind bars for disturbing school operations in connection with a racist AI deepfake recording mimicking the voice of his former principal, Eric Eiswert, in an effort to destroy Eiswert's reputation.
What he did was reprehensible, had a great impact on both Pikesville High School and on Mr. Eiswert himself.
Eiswert later settled a lawsuit against the school system, alleging they failed to vet Darian's qualifications before hiring him.
The repercussions of this are ongoing, even though this case is, finally ended. That's just something he's going to have to deal with, for forever.
While that investigation was underway, prosecutors seized Darian's phones and uncovered sexually explicit videos and conversations with boys as young as 14. Prosecutors writing Darian exploited the minors while he was an administrator and a coach at a Maryland high school where he had regular access to minor boys. Darian continued to exploit minors following law enforcement's search of his residence in March 2024 and continued to exploit minors after he was charged with unrelated criminal conduct in state court.
Is there anything you can say about this guilty plea?
The assistant U.S. attorney handling the case declined to comment on the plea deal, under which he agreed to ask for no more than 21 years in prison, although Judge James K. Bradar could sentence Darian to as many as 30 years or as little as the mandatory minimum of 15. Court records detail explicit conversations with the children, several of whom Darian made plans to meet in person. He paid one child victim $224 to create 9 explicit videos he stored on his phone, according to the statement of facts he signed. Judge Bradar spent almost an hour making sure Darian understood the seriousness of his plea, at one point making him read the facts of the case and asking the former coach and teacher, "Is it true?" To which Darian replied, "Yes, Your Honor." And U.S. Marshals kept a close eye on Darian in the courtroom. He wore a burgundy prison jumpsuit. His voice appeared to crack at times as he answered question after question from Judge James K. Bradar. We do not believe that any of the victims were his students in Baltimore County. However, several of those victims were from Baltimore City. One was from Houston and another from Las Vegas. We are live in your corner at federal court. Mike Helgren, WJZ.
Very disturbing, Mike. Thank you.